What is going on with Themba, guys? The fans react after seeing his recently picture, guys. He has lost so much weight. The fans went on to say, the other one went on to say, Themba, you are the biggest letdown. You are not as smart as I thought. Ghost Nation is all what you have. The fact that you don't listen to us when we say let it go of Doctor, it's crazy. You can't go from DJ Theater to 30 rand gigs. Please, your stubbornness and ignorance will be your biggest downfall. That's one fan went on to say that, and some say gain weight, please Themba, eat and sleep. And someone went on say, Themba, damn Themba, you have lost so much weight, guys. We can see the different picture from a few months ago and the one that he posted recently, guys. So that's what fans were saying about Themba, guys, and they're worried about Themba. I'm also worried about Themba. Ever since Umpawadimu left Themba, things seems like are going worse for Themba, guys. First of all, Themba is letting fame control him. That's the problem. You cannot let fame control you. Just because you're famous, it doesn't mean that you need to think that you run the world. You need to stay humble, focus on yourself, build yourself. It doesn't mean that just because you have a lot of people that are following now, you have to be stubborn. That's the reason why. Again, friends. Themba has a lot of friends. There's sometimes those friends that you have are not friends that they want to see us doing well, guys. You need to be careful of certain people like that. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment.